on. Okay, sorry about that. So we're here to make another video. We got some liners, as you can tell from the title of the video. Finally something to cover up all this crap. And you know, kind of hide that more and protect it from dirt and mud and snow and blah blah. But these are what I got. Just the rugged liner, WWC 99. Fits all classic 99 to 06 classic body styles. The one thing I used to sell these all the time at my old job. But the one thing you always got to make sure is that it comes with the installation kit, the pins, stuff. So, yeah, let's get going. It's pretty straightforward. You're gonna put it in, and then there's some push pins you're gonna put in here, and then there's these little bolts right there. You take them out and you screw them through it, and blah blah. And it's pretty easy. It's not that bad. Okay, so let me get this all adjusted up high enough. It says all you need is a 13 millimeter socket. And come on. What the heck just happened? Fail. Holy crap. I don't know what's going on. So clearly the other one didn't want to come out that hard, so I'm gonna use my manpower and get that out. But yeah, so that's the one. That's the first one, and we will get that on now in a second. For some reason, it says it's somewhere it's like imprinted or whatever, but it says it's PS or passenger side, and I cannot find it anywhere. So, but I'm gonna just take a wild guess and mount these, because the flap's longer than that side. So I'm gonna put this should be the driver's side. So, and it says you can take the wheel off, which it probably makes it easier, but I really don't want to just take my wheel off for this. So we'll see if it works or not.
6.5 hours later.
Everyone, so I'm back. Should make a little finish the video, but so I got the first one in. Super painful to get in because you put your fingers and whatnot, especially right here. So what I did was I had to hack up a little bit because of my gooseneck, and there's a bolt right there you got to cut and mangle it. It looks terrible, but other than that, I mean, it's gonna get dirty anyway, so I'm not really, it doesn't have to be perfect and clean, but there's the bolts. And one thing that sucks, if you have fender flares, you have to take them off, but I didn't want to because it's double-sided sticky tape. And if you took them off, you have to go buy some more double-sided sticky tape, which to me, I don't know, it just wasn't worth it to me. So I left like one or two push pins in just to hold it there, and I got in and just kind of finagled it, and it went in and just bolted it up. Kind of cut that and then that, but I'm gonna put the link down below. It's well worth it. Looks super clean, but yeah, I'll put that link below on Amazon. Subscribe, watch, share, do whatever you want to do. Just get my videos out there, but it looks awesome. So definitely recommend these. WWC 99s for the classic body. So yeah, thank you. And so back. So here is the final product. It looks great. It looks awesome, especially when you come over here. You can't really see, you know, the fast anymore. It's all tucked in. You can't see it underneath or through the wheel well anymore, and it'll just protect it a lot better. But like I said, it's well worth it. It sucks just the full wheel well, or the fender flares, but other than that, it looks great. Other side, let me go over there real quick. Same thing. I tried, you know, mimicking it, but it didn't work, so I gotta keep cutting. But like I said, it's not like gonna be like some perfect SEMA show truck, whatever. But and obviously it's a wheel well, so it's gonna get dirty. So I'm not really looking for it to be pretty. I just wanted more. I mainly wanted it just for the fast side, just to protect it more than anything. I was kind of worried too, because I like showing off the tip, just the tip. But I was kind of worried that I was not going to show it, but or cover it more, but it doesn't. So I still need to get a pin there. Okay, the reason why too makes it a lot easier if you take the wheel off is to get a screwdriver. Unless you have like a right hand you know, air drill or something like that, it's super hard because you can't get it in there. That's the main reason why they take your wheel off, and you got more room and stuff like that. But it's on there tight, so the push pins did hold it in really good. So yeah, I don't know if you can, come on, let's get just, there you go. But yeah, looks great, looks awesome, definitely a good buy. I'll put the link down below.